In a quick younger and prevent aging, we often turn to fancy creams or expensive treatments. Luckily, there's a cheaper and healthier way to look young without having to get all cosmetic, and it's as simple as eating the right foods. Certain foods contain vitamins and nutrients that can work wonders on our skin, and if you're trying to attain a youthful appearance, you might want to consider eating the following 5 foods. 1. Foods high in vitamin C. Sweet potatoes, oranges, bell peppers and leafy greens contain vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help fight off damage from free radicals. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a phytochemical that reduces skin redness and protects against UV damage from the sun. Eating tomatoes can increase collagen and improve fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Nuts. Nuts contain a variety of nutrients, such as vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and zinc, which all have properties that can help reduce inflammation and signs of aging. Good choices include almonds and walnuts. 4. Avocados. Avocados are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, and these antioxidants help improve your skin's appearance and prevent against UV damage.